Hi people. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing us how to make this fan, and these are the things you need. So this is me trying to put the skeleton together using gum. So just do what you see me doing in this video. You put it at the tip, and then at the end we are going to gum it all together. So that's just what I'm doing here. You put it at the tip of each of the skeleton. You put you add gum to it. And okay, so this is me trying to put them together after putting the gum. So you try to put it together basically. So that's what I'm doing here. So you just fix this one after the other, and this is the end result. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this net to cover the skeleton, and this is what I have. You can actually use just this as fan. It's actually fashionable, but I want to also add feathers, and this is where I started from. I added the feathers. I took it from the front to the back. Just use your gum basically, and make sure that it's on the same length, it's aligning. So this is the first step, both front and back. I've already added the feathers, and this is what I have left. And I'll still go ahead to add the feathers until especially the front part is full. So what I'm saying here is that you first of all do the first step, front and back, so that you know what you have left. So this is the front. I've gone the second step, and this is what I have left of the feathers. So what I have left of the feathers can still go front and back. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, and that's what I've done. So for front I have 3 steps, and for back I have 2 steps. Okay, no, finally I have 4 steps for front and 2 steps for back, because I'm trying to manage the feathers. And this is the end result. You can add your designs, your applique, however you want it. Trim off a little bit, and there you go. Ta-da! Thank you for watching.